Alright, here we are once again, posting in the same exact day. Alright. Alright, like I promised, I will show you my base. I will show you my base, my good viewers who actually watch my videos, and I'm surprised of how many people subscribe. So, to all the people that have subscribed, I will thank you for that. I thank you for subscribing. Alright, this is what the base looks like from the outside. Yeah, it's not much. But then we have this cool little bridge my friend built. We have a bunch of random chests here with a bunch of random stuff in it. What does this say here? What does this say? It says cool stuff. Of course. Lincoln stuff. Yeah, that makes sense. No label. Hudson stuff. Yeah, not much. That makes sense. What's this? No label. Okay, yeah. Then that leads to something. Ooh. Okay. Alright, time to actually check out what we have in here. Alright, we're gonna warp to this, which is just where our portals are gonna be. That's pretty much it. Warp to blue is our enchantment room. Oh wait, hold on a sec, no, sorry, that was the wrong thing. We have blue here, and this is our grinder, and also where we held our minions. We have potato, we have carrot, we have redstone, and we have diamond minions. Alright. And now we have our enchantment room, which I actually really like, and that's what the thing you saw there was. I like this. It looks really nice and pretty sick, honestly. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And then we have our storage. Okay, here we are. Bunch of labels: gold, coal, diamonds, iron. Then we also have cow drops, potatoes, and redstone. More redstone. Minions, talismans, stone, basically all the same over here. And you also have mob drops, ender pearls, wood, and more wood. Over here we have armor, which we have a lot of. This is if you're wondering, this is where is it? Oh yeah, right. Okay, so if we go into my wardrobe, I have this, which I need to combat level 16, which is why I was talking about needing to get combat level 16. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, young dragon, young dragon, young dragon. I had an old account, and this was my armor, and this was my sword, pickaxes, blah 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 blah. Yeah. And oh, if you're wondering why I have all this obsidian in my inventory, is because I'm currently wearing an obsidian chestplate. And well-worn gain plus 1% speed for every 20 pieces of obsidian in your inventory. So yeah, that's basically what that is. Alright. We have these cool little lanterns here, and well, that's pretty much it. Besides this up here and this little thing. Hello, Jerry. Alright, yeah, so I think this is a cool build. Candle. And yeah. That's pretty much it. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm not done recording. Oh, and while I was off, I also got I got the combat level 15. Sorry, 14. I need to get 2 more combat levels then. Finally, I've, well, I've gotten the, what's it called again? Oh yeah, I can wear that armor. I also got a little bit more mining XP. I'm able to go into the dwarven mines now. But I have 10 redstone. I have 10 enchanted redstone and 10 enchanted diamonds. I need one more set of it. I need 10 stacks of a certain thing. And it can't be diamond or redstone, which is the part I'm mad about. I have a diamond pickaxe in mine, but it's just not the same. It's just not the same. I have an idea. Oh wait, that's not gonna work. Never mind. Never mind, that's not gonna work. I need someone else here and Connor left. Gotta go to bed. It's an hour ahead of time for him than it is for me. How much coal do I get from that? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah, that should work. Okay. So now all I have to do is mine coal, and I'm just gonna get like 10 stacks of this. So I can enter the dwarven mines. That's basically all I want. I just want to enter the dwarven mines. That's literally all I want. That's all I really want. Yeah, that's little. Oh, okay. This is not gonna take too long. If I can rush this, if I can rush this pretty good. If I could go pretty fast doing this. If I can go fast doing this, I might be able to do it in the time of finishing this video. That sound good? Yeah, I think that sounds good. Sound good to you guys? Yeah, I think that sounds amazing. Yeah, that sounds cool. That sounds cool, like a cool dude. I might post a video of me beating Sans. Foreshadow, 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 and I might beat him. Yeah, big foreshadow. I might be Sans. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Then they just give a hint. Once you first beat Sans, once you learn all his attacks, and then you actually beat him, it it becomes not. It becomes pretty easy to beat him. I'm not kidding. It becomes like really freaking easy to beat. It becomes really easy to beat him. It becomes really easy to beat him. It becomes so easy to beat him. I don't know why, but it just becomes really easy to beat him. Okay, okay, maybe I probably won't have enough time to finish it for this video, but maybe for another time. Like, jump. Oh, I was actually able to get that. Okay, cool. All that down there must have regenerated by now. Okay, to my viewers watching, try Sans Battle Simulator or Sans Fight. Just search up Sans Fight and it'll do Bad Time Simulator. Click on that. It's really fun to play, and it's so accurate to the actual Sans Fight. I plan to actually buy on Steam or pretty much on any other platform. I plan to buy Undertale, like actually just buy it. And I don't know why, but the soundtrack for Undertale is just amazing. I cannot stop listening to it. I'm listening to a little bit of it right now, actually. Wonder why you can't hear it? Because I have it in my headset. Yeah, that's why you guys can't hear it. Anyways, next time I see you guys, which probably will be next video, I will be entered into the Dwarven Mines. And then I will have my thing. I've always wondered, is there TNT under that? It is. Huh, okay. I didn't know that. I didn't know that there was TNT under that. Okay. Favorite? Sans fight. Sans song. Search that up too. Amazing. It's amazing. Oh, and I've actually never got to say this in person, but shout out to blue underscore moon underscore. He helped me film the Poke Collect video, and I really appreciate him doing that. So go ahead and visit his videos, search it up, or if you can't find his videos, which his screen is the title of a cat. just hit a cat with green eyes. If you can't find that as his, well, not as his title, but as his main, logo, like my Charizard, my logo. Yeah, that's basically what it is. That's basically what it's gonna be. That's basically what it's gonna be. And if you can't find that, then just search up 10 seconds of an 10 or 15 seconds, I don't know, search up both, of 10 or 15 seconds of Infinity Train out of context, and it'll say blue underscore moon underscore. So go ahead, check him out. He's a pretty good guy. He's my friend, and he's a pretty good guy. Check him out. Give him likes. Give him subscribers. Give it to him. He wants to become a good YouTuber. He wants to become a big YouTuber. So I would like to ask all of my subscribers to subscribe to him, please. If you get this notification that a new video has been uploaded. Wait, is that guy blowing up? That guy just blew up TNT? Okay. Is that okay? Let's just not think about it. Oh wait, this has fortune on it. What am I thinking? I'm a dum dum. This has fortune. This diamond pick has fortune on it. What am I thinking? I'm a dum dum. Oh my god, I could have gotten this so much faster. I just need to fill up all those. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm a dum dum. I'm a dummy dum bum. It's fun. It's fun though. It's cool. I now know. Oh wait, that place wasn't reachable before. Oh gosh darn it! I should have entered it when I could. Darn it! I think you have to have TNT to. Oh, what's? Oh, okay. Oh, I never knew this place existed. Great experience. I did bow, super boom TNT, dark goggles, mender helmet, stone chest plate, super cleaver, dungeon potion, and buy super boom TNT. Okay, I think I might be able to go down there now. Da-da-da. Good luck. Yeah, I can head down here now. Oh, that's where this place leads to. The crypt school area. Okay, yeah. I can just head down here anytime. I know where it is. I'm gonna try to hurry this up. I don't have much time left. I have like 2 minutes left. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna have enough time to get all this, but wait, hold on a sec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no, I don't have enough. Sorry, guys. I won't be able to finish this today, but next time you see me, I'll be in the Dwarven Mines. And also, I might post another Pokemon card. If I get a little more moolah from my parents, I might be able to, or grandparents, I might be able to post another video about Pokemon cards, guys. And if I'm able to actually earn money off of YouTube, I might be able to post even more. So we want my post rates to go up. Subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some watch hours, please. I need 4,000 watch hours. I only need it once. I just need you to guys farm watch hours for me. I already have 1 watch hour with all of you watching my videos, which is fine. I'm fine with that. But like, I need to just keep these consistent, and I kind of need money to do that. Or these for the Pokemon card. I can post more of these if you guys would like that. I post whatever you guys would like. I'm gonna see what you guys do with this, and then yeah. All right, I don't have too much time left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say goodbye, guys. I hope you enjoyed me watching this. Just like no, not me watching this. Hope you guys enjoyed me doing this, and hope you guys enjoyed watching this with me. I hope you guys have a great day whenever you watch this, or even if it's at night. Hope you have a great night or morning. Have a great day. Have a great night. Have a great morning. All right. All right. I'll see you guys later. You guys make me happy. All right. Bye bye, folks.